this kind of paper airplane. And I'm going to show you the first step. Step 1. You need one blank piece of paper. Step 2. You fold both of them to the middle. Then you fold it like this. It's kind of like a box, but with a V in it.
Looks like an envelope, doesn't it?
Yeah. Then you fold it backwards, so it looks like this. Like this. And then you open it up. The side with the floppy thing, you fold inside of it.
Show me that floppy thing. Okay.
You get the other one, and fold it into here. Fold it one more time to the middle again. The other side to that same thing. And fold it like that. And you can go like this. And then you do it at the other side. And this, it can fly about... You fly far.
Alright. So I'll show you.
Hello, people! Alright. Now.
That's the first one?
Yep.
You want to do another one real quick at
Yep.
the same time?
And then we're going to make this boomerang thing.
Did you just make that? Did you design that yourself?
Yeah. I actually designed this one.
Does it come back?
No.
It's not a boomerang then, is it?
And fly far. Okay. Now,
Go, just.
first step. Oh, you do the same thing you did last time. Like this. But this time you take this one and fold it up to here. So it looks like this. And then you fold this part. This part up to here. So it would look like this. Step 2, this step gets a little more tricky, because you have to go like bend it, so it kind of looks like choo-choo. And you take this side.